Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial about how to create a team in Microsoft Teams. So you can see on my screen that I have already loaded the Microsoft Teams application. When it opens up, it will open to the options here on the left hand side where you can see different tabs you can click into. Since we're talking about making a Microsoft team, you click on the Teams tab, and on my screen you can see all the different teams that I'm currently a part of. To actually create your own team, you click down on the bottom. It says join or create a team, and it's going to ask you to either enter a code to join the team that's already existing, or you can create your own new team. When you click the create team button, there's a couple of options. You can create it from an existing Office 365 group or team that's in your company's system, or you can build a team from scratch. So I'm going to click build a team from scratch. Then the next option it gives you is either to make it a private group where you have people who have to ask to join, or they have to be added by a group administrator, or a public group that anyone from your organization can join. There's pros and cons to both. The private group is very useful for maintaining confidential information or information that other departments in your organization don't need to have access to. But for this team, we're going to make it where it's open to anyone, so we're going to get the option as a public team. The next screen will prompt you to make a quick name and some descriptions about your team if you want. And so one thing that we've been working on within our unit here at Jim Thorpe is to help get our caregivers to be more technologically savvy. And so we've been having some events and classes to help them learn how to do more things like this for themselves. So I'm going to call this the JTR Tech Team. And the brief description is a forum for caregivers to learn and share knowledge about improving their work through technology. And then I'm going to create the team. And that's it. Easy enough. So what you can do then is once your team is created, you can start adding team members to it. Now remember, we made this a public group where people could join on their own, but you can also invite people to the group. So I'm going to add I'm already on the team, so I'm going to invite a couple of people from my organization to join. And when you invite them to join, they're automatically added as members, but you have the option as the team owner to promote them to owner level as well, which has some benefits in terms of how you set up your Teams channels and Teams tabs later on. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Stay tuned for more, and I hope it was helpful.